Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm coming at you with a van. Not my van, it's my mom's van, but we're changing her headlight. What you need, the part number is going to be an H11. Then right up on top, you can go into an auto parts store, anywhere. You're like, I need an H11 bulb. Go over there, find it, H11. There's your part number to get it started. Let's get right on into the engine. And once you get into the engine compartment of the car, have your bulb. You have your left-hand side of the car. It's going to be this one right on in there, which is going to be your passenger side. The right-hand side, you're going to have a lot less room because of here. Hope it's your left-hand side because you got plenty of room to work with. This is going to be the right-hand side, right located right inside of these. We're going to be changing this one today, so I'm going to get right on into it. Okay, and the side of the car that we're going to be changing is going to be the driver's side. All you need for this job is any flathead screwdriver. There's going to be just a little bit of room. You can take this vent off, not necessary, but take your flathead screwdriver, stick it into the the back. See, I got it in the very back. Give it a little push. It's gonna pop it right on off. See? And the way to remove the bulb, you're gonna reach in there. You're gonna turn it to the right. You see, I'm turning that over towards the side of the car. Don't worry about touching it. It's already burnt out. You're not gonna burn it out again. There's your bulb. Throw that in there. Grab the replacement and do that backwards. And to put the bulb back in there, try your best not to touch the bulb this time. Work with a little bit of room, but we're going to sneak that on in there. Wow, that is a very, very, very tight space. You'll be able to find the hole. This time, you take it from the outside part of the car, and you just twist it straight. There you go. You see I'm twisting it, starting it off this side. We're just going to twist it all the way over. Some trash falling on me. You're going to reach down in there. You're going to grab the component. See, the back end's going to be that side, the side that you fit the screwdriver in. See, it's going to be that side. It's going to be the back side. So that side is going to be away from you. Find the bottom of the headlight. Clip it on in. Here, all clipped. Do a quick run over here. Got the light guy. He's helping me out. Give it a light. Headlight complete. Dirty hands, ripped them up. Wish you were on that side. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.